Imagine a factory so enormous that the Pentagon, Apple Park, Tesla's Gigafactory Texas, and the Mall of America could all fit inside its footprint. That may sound like science fiction, but Elon Musk's proposed Terafab could become one of the largest technology manufacturing projects ever attempted. Construction has reportedly begun on a massive site covering approximately 9.29 million square meters. To put that number into perspective, this isn't simply another semiconductor factory. Terafab is envisioned as a giant, vertically integrated chip manufacturing complex designed to control almost the entire production process under one roof. From lithography and wafer processing to packaging and final testing, the goal is to build an enormous semiconductor ecosystem capable of producing advanced chips at unprecedented scale. And there is a very specific reason Musk wants to build it. Artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly dependent on powerful computing hardware. Tesla needs enormous computing capacity for autonomous driving and its growing AI ambitions. SpaceX also has increasingly demanding computational requirements for its satellite networks, spacecraft, and future AI systems. Together, Musk's companies could eventually require an extraordinary amount of computing power. The Terafab project has been associated with a target of approximately 1 terawatt of computing capacity. That's an almost unimaginable number, but building something on this scale comes with an equally enormous price tag. The project is estimated to require around $119 billion in investment. That's more than the cost of many of the world's largest infrastructure projects. So why would Musk take such a massive risk? One major reason is supply. The global AI industry is facing intense demand for advanced processors, while the production of cutting-edge chips remains concentrated among a relatively small number of manufacturers and suppliers. For companies building massive AI systems, access to chips can become a strategic bottleneck. Musk's idea is essentially to build more of the supply chain himself. Instead of relying entirely on external chip manufacturers, Terafab could give Tesla and SpaceX greater control over the design, production, and availability of specialized processors. But there is a huge challenge. Building advanced semiconductor factories is incredibly difficult. Modern chips require extremely precise manufacturing environments, sophisticated lithography equipment, advanced materials, massive amounts of electricity, and highly specialized engineers. Even the world's largest semiconductor companies spend decades developing the expertise and infrastructure required to manufacture cutting-edge processors. Terafab would therefore be much more than a giant building. It would be an enormous technological ecosystem. If Musk succeeds, the impact could extend far beyond Tesla and SpaceX. It could change how powerful AI hardware is produced, reduce dependence on external suppliers, and potentially give Musk's companies a major advantage in the race for artificial intelligence. But there's one important question. Can a project of this size actually be built, funded, powered, and operated at the scale Musk envisions? If the answer is yes, Terafab could become one of the most important pieces of infrastructure in the AI era. Not just a factory, but a massive machine designed to manufacture the machines that will power the future.